Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean muddy water in a pond. First, you must identify the source of the muddiness. This is crucial for effective treatment. Next, implement erosion control around the pond's edges. This prevents soil runoff from entering the water. Also, consider adding beneficial bacteria. These natural helpers consume excess nutrients, promoting clearer water. Finally, ensure your pond has proper filtration for continuous clarity. Muddy water often stems from several common culprits. Runoff from surrounding land is a major contributor, carrying sediment directly into your pond. Bottom-feeding fish, like carp, can also stir up the pond bottom, releasing fine particles. Additionally, poorly maintained pond edges or liners can lead to soil erosion. Even heavy rainfall can significantly increase suspended particles, making your pond cloudy. To actively clarify your pond, several methods prove effective. A pond vacuum can remove accumulated sludge and debris from the bottom. Introducing aquatic plants such as water lilies helps absorb excess nutrients, starving algae. Installing a biological filter breaks down organic matter, significantly improving water quality. For quick results, apply a flocculant product. It binds small particles, causing them to settle. Maintaining a clear pond long-term requires consistent effort. Regularly test your water parameters to ensure a healthy aquatic environment. Avoid overfeeding your fish. Uneaten food quickly contributes to water cloudiness. Trim back excessive aquatic vegetation to prevent decay and nutrient release. Finally, perform routine partial water changes, perhaps 25% every few weeks, to dilute accumulated pollutants.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.